Today I'm gonna be checking my alternator because it does have a squeaking noise when I start the engine, and I wanna take out the belt first, and I put already my ratchet in the tensioner with a 1/2-inch extension, and I'm gonna push it down and I'm gonna remove the belt. So I remove the belt and I turn the handle, and I hear that inside of it metal touch metal. It doesn't turn so smooth like a new alternator, and I believe it's gonna be bad bearing inside. So first thing, I'm gonna have to remove the positive wires from the batteries, and then I can start to remove. So I took this turbo pipe out of the way. It has clamps, and I used a 1/2-inch socket to unscrew. Now I have alternator, and this is positive wire, that's negative, and that's remote sense. So I have to disconnect the wires now. This have a little clip on the side, so this is remote sense, and this is 1/2-inch socket for the positive wire, and 10mm socket for the negative wire. So I was wrong. This little bolt was 3/8 socket for that, and there are 4 screws holding alternator, which needs 16mm socket, 2 on top and 2 in the bottom. Now I have to remove this nut with the impact Makita, and this is 15/16. And I have to take out this pulley. In many cases this pulley doesn't come very easy, so I have this 3-jaw puller, and you put it on the edges of the pulley and turn on this screw, and then the pulley comes the easy way. So I have new alternator here, and this is the part number. It's 8600201, and it's Delco Remy 28SI. Now I'm gonna have to put the pulley from the old alternator, and I will install new nut. Now I did the same thing. I put the nut and tighten with the impact wrench. So I put it back on the truck, and I line all the 4 screws, and I use it 16mm socket to tighten this up. So I connected negative wire over there with a 3/8 socket, and positive with a 1/2-inch, and remote sense plug. Now it's the time to install the belt. So I'm gonna use this 1/2-inch extension and push this handle down and install the belt. The belt is installed, and now I'm gonna have to put this intercooler pipe and connect the batteries and start the truck, and inspect if new alternator is working and charging properly. So as you see, alternator is charging, engine is running, and it shows 14.2 volts, so everything working fine.